Dear students, today we are going to solve a sum from practice set 4.4 regarding financial planning. Sum number 4. What is the data? Mrs. Desai sold shares of face value rupees 100 when the market value was rupees 50 and received rupees 4,988.20. She paid brokerage 0.2% and GST on brokerage 18%. Then how many shares did she sell in all? Now, total selling price of the shares is equal to 4,988 rupees, 4,988.20, and market value of the share is rupees 50 per share, and brokerage is equal to 0.2%, and GST on brokerage is equal to 18%. Now, to find out the number of shares, the formula to find out the number of shares is total value, total selling price divided by the cost of one share. Here we will find out what per share Mrs. Desai has received. On the market value, we will first find out what is the brokerage and we'll find out GST on brokerage. So first, solution. Brokerage on one share is equal to 0.2 upon 100 into 50. 0, where is 0? 5, 2 are 10, that is 0.1. So this is rupees 0.1 brokerage on one share. On this brokerage, she is paying GST by 18%. So GST is equal to 0.1 upon 100, 18 upon 100 into 0.1. Now you will 18 ones are 18. You can cancel here also, but there is no need of. Just you can multiply 18 into 0.1 is equal to 1.8 divided by 100. So we will divide by 100. The decimal will go 2 digit left hand side. 1.8 divided by 100 is equal to 0.018. 2 zeros. So when divide 8, this decimal will come to 2 digit left hand side. There was only one digit, so it took 1 0. So it became 0.018. So this is the GST paid and this is the brokerage fee. That means on each share, this will be deducted from Mrs. Desai's purchase value, sale value. So this is the sale value, it will be minus. So cost of each share is equal to 50 minus 0.10 minus 0.018. So we are minusing here 50 minus 0.10, 50.00, that is 0.10. 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 1 is 9, and this is 9, and this is 4. This give one carry here, this give one carry here, this is 49.90. From this you will subtract 0.018. So this is 0.018. Here goes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. This is 9. This is 4. That means the value of each share is 49.882 rupees. Now the number of shares is equal to the selling price of one share. This will divide the total amount. So number of shares is equal to 4,988.20 upon 49.882. Here decimal is 20, here 3 zeros. Straight away, if you cancel this, you are getting here 3 digits, here 2 digits. So multiply 1000 here, 1000 here. So it becomes 4988200 upon 49882. This cancels by this, that is 100. So Mrs. Desai has purchased 100 shares. You write the answer in words: number of shares purchased by Mrs. Desai is 100 shares. You can just go for recap. Right in the beginning, what is the total money spent by Mrs. Desai? That is 4,980.20. And on that there is brokerage of 0.2%. Market value is rupees 50, and GST on brokerage is 18%. So selling price total 4988.20. If we can calculate what is the selling price of each share, so total investment divided by the selling price of one share brings to the number of shares. So first you found out on 50 rupees what is the brokerage, then you found out what is the GST. So from each share you minus the brokerage as well as the GST. And that gives you the each share what was sold by her was on rupees 49.882. So 4,988.20 divided by 49.882, that gives you 100. So Mrs. Desai has purchased 100 shares in all. Thank you.